Hi everyone, I'm Ethan from Wisman High Voltage Power Supply. Welcome to Wisman's channel. Today I will introduce a high performance standard regulant. It's our DA series. Its input voltage is 220 watt alternating current. The max output power is 2 kilowatt. DA series has perfect protection system and high stability. Local control or remote control, RS-232 and RS-485 control. Its front panel has voltage and current monitor, 4-digit panel table, over-current short-circuit protection, arc drawing, over-temperature protection, and other functions. It can be used in accelerator, capacitor charging, high-energy particle injection, and many other applications. That's all my introduction. For more information, please contact us. See you next time. Bye.
Okay.